If we told you that you could make unique art pieces in under 5 minutes and make thousands using free AI generators, you'd probably laugh, right? Well, we've got the latest free AI tools that will have you laughing all the way to the bank. And the last tool is the one that everyone's talking about. You really do need to check it out, so stick around. Pollination's AI has a pretty simple interface, and as you hover over images made by other users, you'll see the prompts they use to achieve their artistic output. You might find some inspiration from these images, but if you've got your own vision and you're ready to go, just type in your own prompt and click on Create. Within seconds, it'll come up with your image, but there's no option for custom settings. So make sure your prompt is detailed enough to get the desired output. You can also join their Discord server to discuss your ideas or get help from other AI enthusiasts. It certainly helps to master the skill of prompt writing. With Pollinations, you can create as many unique pieces as you wish, all free of charge. Who's laughing now? Another free AI tool is Night Cafe. From their homepage, click on Explore More, and you'll find art generated by other AI enthusiasts. Kind of like an Insta feed, you can like and comment, but more importantly, you can check the prompts that were used to generate the images. Just click on the eye symbol, then Settings, and you'll get an idea of how the artist created the image. To get started with Night Cafe, you'll have to make an account. Click on Create, make a new account, and on the left side, you'll find various options. There's the Model tab, which gives you the option to choose from the likes of Stable Diffusion, Clip, or DALL-E. Then there's the Prompt box, and below that, the Style section, which gives you lots of options to choose from, whatever kind of art you want to generate. Unlike Pollinations, Night Cafe also provides custom settings like resolution and number of images. They even have a chat box, so you can get involved with other artists, join communities, and collaborate it. This kind of fits their mantra. Creating is better together. It's also available on Android or iPhone, so you can stay connected and generate art from anywhere. Just be aware once you run out of the initial free credits, you'll have to purchase new one. Nothing's truly for free in this world, right? Except our next option. One of the most popular free AI art generators out there, Stable Diffusion. There are 2 ways to use Stable Diffusion for free. To use it online, you need to visit Stable Diffusion on Hugging Face. It'll allow for simple prompts and negative prompts. But in fairness, there aren't many options to customize your art. It does provide you with 4 different generated images, but again, no option to edit or customize them. So if you want more control, this next option is for you. Hey team, quick ask to subscribe, we really appreciate it. So to get more out of Stable Diffusion, you'll need to install the code on your computer. You'll find the code on GitHub. This process can be a little tricky and requires you to have Windows 10 or 11 NVIDIA GPU with at least 6 gig of VRAM and 10 gig of free hard drive storage. However, once you're set up, it allows you to generate unlimited images for free forever. If you want to know more about installing Stable Diffusion on your computer, our installation video breaks down the whole process in simple steps. Look out for that and start using Stable Diffusion. It's a serious game changer. Blue Willow is quite similar to Midjourney, both of which run on Discord. The only difference is Midjourney empties your wallet, whilst Blue Willow allows you free access. Currently, you're allowed to generate 10 prompts per day, free of charge. That's 10 unique pieces you could create and sell every single day. Who says AI is killing the art world? You can upgrade to their basic plan called Willower. It'll cost $5 as of now, and you get to generate 50 prompts per day. In order to use Blue Willow, you first need to join the Discord server. Once that's done, go to the Rookie channel and type the command /imagine prompt followed by your text prompt. Blue Willow will then generate 4 images based on your prompt. You can then download these images. There's serious money to be made here. What's stopping you? Lexica is another free tool, which gives you 100 different art pieces per month without any fees. Right from their homepage, you can see the kind of output this tool can generate. And if you like an image and want to make something similar, just click on it and you'll see the settings and prompts that were used. To get into Lexica AI, you first need to create an account. And once that's done, start generating images by typing your prompt into the text box and clicking the Generate button. It's that simple. With Lexica, you can even upload starter images as an initial template and then generate something unique with your prompt. Pretty cool! Leonardo AI is the one they're all talking about. This is the one that knocked Midjourney off top spot, and it's packed with features that really set it apart from the rest. To get access, go to their website and click on the purple Get Early Access button. Add your name and email and click on Count Me In. Just be aware, because this tool is so popular, it'll take hours or even days to hear back from them. So to save time and get straight in, Go to the Click Here button, and you'll be directed to a Google form. You'll need to join their Discord server or Facebook group. And once that's done, go back to the Google form and fill out the details, including your Discord username, your first name, and the email you'll be using to get access. After submitting the form, they'll add you to their whitelist. Now go back to the Leonardo homepage and click on the Launch App option in the top right corner. Go to Yes, I'm whitelisted, and from here, make sure to click on the Continue with Google option. Then you're in, and believe it's worth it. On the front page, you get to see different models, as well as art pieces that were generated by other users. And like other community-based AI art generators, you can check the prompts and settings that were used. From a standing start, you're given 150 tokens which are replaced every 9 hours, so no need to upgrade to a paid plan. This tool is making AI artists a lot of money.